శ్రీరస్తు శుభమస్తు అవిఘ్నమస్తు. వివాహ మహోత్సవ లగ్న నిర్ణయ పత్రిక శనివారము 8/2వ నెల ఫిబ్రవరి 2025 చిరంజీవి లక్ష్మీ సౌభాగ్యవతి కావ్యశ్రీను చిరంజీవి సాత్విక్నకు అను శుభ పాణిగ్రహణం మహోత్సవం జరుపుటకు వేదమూర్తులైనటువంటి బ్రాహ్మణోత్తములచే నిర్ణయింపబడిన వివాహ ముహూర్తము శుభప్రదము. శ్రీ 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 శ్రీ.
படவன எந்தன் கண்ணம்மா நீ தொட 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 துடிக்குது எந்தன் நெஞ்சம்மா. ஹே சிலு 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 சிலுவன கொஞ்சம் செல்லம்மா நான் சட 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 மழையன வந்தேன் கண்ணம்மா. திருநாள் இதுவா இதயம் தரவா உரைத்தேன் மெதுவா கொஞ்சி கொஞ்சி வரவா. பட 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 படவன எந்தன் கண்ணம்மா நீ தொட 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 துடிக்குது எந்தன் நெஞ்சம்மா. ஹே சிலு 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 சிலுவன கொஞ்சம் செல்லம்மா நான் சட 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 மழையன வந்தேன் கண்ணம்மா.
We just want to thank our mommy.
Thank you so much for your support and pushing this to this level.
Thank you so much for trusting us.
We are blessed to have you, Satvik. Thank you so much for coming into our lives with all the pride and every moment you have made it special. Love you both.
பட 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 படவன எந்தன் கண்ணம்மா